In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Notion Agent custom instructions in memory. Start by going to the Notion website. I'm assuming you're already logged into your workspace, so once you're in, head straight to the left sidebar and look for the Agents Beta section. This is where you can create and manage AI agents inside Notion. When you find it, click the New Agent button. Notion may give you the option to start from a template or create one from scratch. If you already know exactly how you want your agent to behave, choose Create Blank. If you want a starting point, you can use a template instead. Either option works, but the rest of the setup is basically the same. Next, go to the Configuration panel and click the Name field at the top. Type in a clear name for your agent. This helps you identify what it's meant to do later, especially if you end up creating multiple agents for different tasks. After that, move over to the Instructions section on the right-hand panel. This is one of the most important parts of the setup. Here, you'll type the rules that define how the agent should respond and what it should focus on. For example, you can tell it to always answer in bullet points, keep responses concise, focus on project management, or follow a certain writing style. The more specific and practical your instructions are, the more consistent the agent will be when you use it. Once your instructions are in place, scroll down to the Tools and Access section. This is where you set up the memory or long-term context for the agent. Click Add Pages, then select the pages, documents, or databases you want the agent to reference. This is what gives it access to important workspace information, so choose sources that are actually useful for the tasks you want it to handle. In simple terms, this is how you give your Notion agent the context it needs to be smarter and more relevant. You can also fine-tune the setup by opening the Model drop-down in the Settings panel. From there, select Claude 4, 5 Sonnet, or 4, 6 Sonnet if those options are available, since those are generally strong choices for logic, formatting, and reliable responses. When everything looks good, click Save in the upper right corner. That's it. Your Notion agent is now set up with custom instructions in memory. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A quick tip before you go: if the agent doesn't behave the way you want on the first try, go back and refine the instructions rather than rebuilding everything from scratch. Usually, small changes to the wording in the instructions or the pages you added from memory can make a big difference. Once you've done this once, creating future agents becomes much faster and easier.